So it wraps around the whole entire store, and it goes way over to the shopping center. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well, even after the whole Texas winter storm. I know it's crazy. Houston has had the most snow it's ever gotten, that at least that I've witnessed in like the last 20 years. I know a lot of people actually lost like electricity, their internet, and water. Luckily, I wasn't really affected too much by it. I know a lot of people were affected more than me, and it's made things pretty difficult for a lot of people in Texas, but I hope y'all are able to get through it without much trouble. Anyways, today we're going to be installing the third brake light for the Chevy Silverado. I'm going from the whole stock one, which is a incandescent housing, and then we're going to be going to an LED one. I'm changing the whole entire housing. It looks a little bit different than the stock one, but I love that it's LED and it looks so much better than stock. Some of y'all might know this as the jellyfish launcher mod because it looks just like a jellyfish. So yeah, the LED one looks so much better than the incandescent one that has the yellow incandescent bulbs. The LED one looks much sharper, much better response time, and it changes the look of the truck completely in terms of function and looks. So I've always wanted to change every single incandescent bulb that's white in the back of the truck to LED. I've had the opportunity to do it today, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so for the swap, you're going to need a T20 Torx Bit. I bought the Husky set. It comes with all of these, the drill bits, and it looks just like this. In addition to that, you may need a soft prying tool in case the housing does not come off, but most of the time I was able to get it off without any prying tools, so you may or may not need that. So for the LED housing, I bought a Amazon / eBay housing. It's pretty identical and comes with the outer gasket lining. They usually range from about $20 to $40, but I'm telling you, the LED ones are a night and day difference. I'm telling you, they are completely different. They will change the look of your truck. It is pretty identical in terms of, you know, it's basic plug and play. So before you guys start anything, I would probably put on the outer gasket lining so that the tape would probably stick on better. Remove the center part. Remove these. Once you put it on, it'll be a perfect fit. There's like, it's kind of indented on the outside. And just like that. Once you've got that on, you want to start by removing the original housing. Put that aside. Then from there you want to remove the housing by just pulling on it. And you want to pull out the wire. From there you can pull out the tape cover. And then do the same exact process as you did for the original one. Tuck those wires in. Line up the little these things with the little holes. Then you just push it in, and it should be pretty tight. Pretty good fit. Screw these things back in. Some of the times you're going to be facing issues where I had some of my LED bulbs that were defective on the housing. Just return it. Most of the guys on eBay and Amazon are pretty easy. They'll let you return it for a new one. In terms of leaks, I have not had any problems. I test fitted it the other day, and it worked perfectly fine. No issues from that. Until then, I promise I am still making that lift update and 40,000 mile truck update, and I promise those are coming out very soon. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys found this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe and hit the notifications button for videos just like this.